Well, interesting to see or not see the beach this time of night.
Yeah.
Sea fog.
And we saw the fog. What is it?
It was with us for most of the day, off and on. In fact, we had several pictures from the back island, back river, and it was very poor visibility. That fog was there, and it closed the river for the day for the Georgia Ports folks as well. But then skies cleared, and take a look at these pictures we have tonight. Tony Mitchell has registered the moon. Yes, through the trees. I think that's a oak tree, or maybe it's a tulip. Look at the moonrise in the background. She sent not one, but two pictures, one a little bit closer. Isn't that gorgeous? Tony, by the way, reset your date. You're a day ahead. Those she's 24 hours ahead. But those are gorgeous pictures. Tony Mitchell, thank you. And if you've got viewer photos, we'd love to see them too. Send it to pics@WTOC.com. Tell me who you are and where you took the picture, like the register moon that we had for tonight. Though clouds are now building in, I'll bet the moon's a little more difficult to see this evening. You can see some of the higher clouds, especially Hinesville southward and across the low country, across Jasper and Beaufort counties. That cloud cover will stay in place as this moisture gets pushed through. Wednesday, 10 o'clock in the evening, it's gone through and done, and dry air, the purple color, takes over behind it. On the surface, here's what it looks like. Front will push through. We see some stronger storms developing. Middle Tennessee, those continue up to the north. Things kind of weaken. Junior forecasters, here's a clue. When you see most of the rain behind the front, you know it's not quite as severe. Still, gusty winds are going to be a big part of the day. A wind advisory in place. Second dry front will swing through, reinforcing the cold air, but this double barrel area of high pressure is actually going to take over for the weekend. So we have a moderate threat or medium risk of severe thunderstorms this evening, with a lot of tornado watches in the area of the central or mid-Mississippi Valley. And then tomorrow we lose that medium risk. It's all just a slight risk of late day showers and thunderstorms in our area. The bigger story, as I showed you earlier, is going to be the winds. Here's 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're in the yellow. That's wind gusts up to 15 miles an hour. But look at the reds and the oranges. This gets up to 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts by 11:30 tomorrow evening. That's when the front will actually push through and head offshore. And when's the rain really get started? According to this, not till 8 o'clock tomorrow evening we start to see some showers, but we never get the real heavy rain. The blue is over an inch of total precipitation. We stay in the greens. We'll take just about any rain we can get. Gale watch is in effect for tomorrow too. Look at the south winds, 25 to 35 knots, seas at 7 to 10 feet. So the first alert, live Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight, 61, breezy and mild, south breeze overnight, 9 to 12 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, it will be a windy day, high up to 80, 20% chance of rain during the day, but after dark, that's when that 90% will kick in and will cool after the rain clears by midnight to 47 tomorrow night. Then winter's back. Thursday, Friday, 58, 61. Look at the overnight low Friday morning at 36. Saturday, Groundhog Day, 36 and 59, and lots of sunshine. Back to the lower 60s for the end of the forecast period. I think tomorrow we'll see some stormy weather. Some isolated cells could have quite a bit of gusty winds included, but I don't think this is going to be a big outbreak. You follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. We'll have all the information and free on WTOC.com.
Thanks, John.
Breaking news update tonight.